video, you will learn what digital marketing is, how it works, and why it is so important today. If you are a beginner, this video is perfect for you. Digital marketing means promoting products, services, or brands using the internet. Instead of newspapers or TV ads, digital marketing uses online platforms. For example, YouTube ads, Instagram posts, emails from brands, and websites on Google. All of these are part of digital marketing. Today, most people spend time online. They search on Google, watch videos, and scroll social media. Before buying anything, people first check online. That is why digital marketing is more powerful than traditional marketing. There are different types of digital marketing. Let us understand the main ones. SEO, search engine optimization, or SEO, helps websites appear on Google search results. Social media marketing. This includes marketing on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Content marketing. Content marketing means creating helpful videos, blogs, and posts to attract people. Paid advertising. Paid ads help businesses reach the right audience quickly. Email marketing. Email marketing helps build trust and long-term relationships. Digital marketing works in 4 simple steps. First, attract people using content or ads. Second, engage them on websites or social media. Third, convert them into customers. And finally, retain them using emails and follow-ups. Digital marketing has many benefits. It is cost-effective. It reaches a global audience. It targets the right people. Results can be tracked easily. And it offers many career opportunities. Digital marketing is useful for students, business owners, job seekers, freelancers, and content creators. Anyone can learn digital marketing. If you are just starting, begin with the basics. Learn from online videos. Practice on social media. Stay consistent. And keep learning step by step. This was a simple introduction to digital marketing. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Comment below to let us know what topic you want next. Thank you for watching.